On March 26, 2025, a patient named Mr. A, who is being treated in the IRNA 5 Graha 3 med room with a medical diagnosis of pneumonia, after 2 days of hospitalization, received advice from the doctor to provide education to the patient family. The head of the room, PP and PA, in the head of room will carry out discharge planning by providing education related to the patient condition.
Good morning, Nurse Muna. I would like to inform you that patient Miss N with a medical diagnosis of pneumonia received advice from the doctor to educate the patient's family.
Morning, nurse. Then our agenda in this afternoon for patient Mrs. N is to carry out discharge planning by providing education to the family. How are the preparation for the discharge planning, nurse? It's ready.
For the preparation of discharge planning on Miss N, it is ready. I've prepared the patient's medical record, discharge planning sheet, and also barcode to scan the leaflets.
Okay, thank you, nurse. May I check it, nurse?
Okay, nurse, this is a file for the preparation of discharge planning, which will be carried out by family.
For the file is complete, nurse. Then let's go to the patient family.
Okay, nurse.
After the NOM checked the completeness of the files, the NOM, along with PP and PA 1 and 2, go to the nurse station to carry out the discharge planning.
Niken, could you please call the Miss N family to the nurse room? And Nurse Niken, could you please accompany me and Nurse Angela later for the discharge planning with the patient and their family?
Okay, nurse, I will go to Miss N rooms.
The associate nursing calls Mr. A family in the family waiting room, and they have arrived at the nursing station.
Good morning, family Mrs. N. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sri Munawara. I am nursing unit manager. I am accompanied by nurse, namely is Nurse Rian and Nurse Angela, who have been taking care to Miss N in this room. I have good news for you. The doctor has approved the discharge can go home today. Today, Mrs. N has received advice from the doctor to be education to the family before go home.
Alright, nurse. Can I invite my other family so we can understand even better?
Oh, sure, no. Now, Nurse Rian and Nurse Angela and Nurse Niken will provide information to family regarding patient condition and her disease. The family needs to know before going home. Do you agree?
Yes, nurse.
First, introduce. I am Nurse Rian, and this is Nurse Angela. We will explain about Miss N condition and teach about pneumonia home care to help improve Miss N condition.
Yes, nurse.
Before Miss N is allowed to go home, we will provide education regarding his condition. Miss N condition has improved, but her health must still be maintained to prevent the worsening condition at home. The goal is to ensure that infection doesn't occur, as Miss N is very susceptible to it. Before we continue, do you have any questions so far?
Not yet, nurse.
Next, I will explain a little about Miss N illness. The goal is for the family to understand her condition to prevent it from worsening. Pneumonia is a lung infection that requires home care with adequate rest, taking medication as prescribed, a clean environment, and good lighting, especially in the morning between 7 until 8 a.m. with windows open, so the patient can get some sunlight. Breathing exercise and vigilance for warning signs such as severe shortness of breath and high fever. To prevent the condition from worsening, a healthy lifestyle and avoiding cigarette smoke are essential. It will be best for Miss Anne to reduce smoking and avoid exposure to smoke, including from others.
Yes, nurse. How should the medication be taken, nurse?
Yes, the pharmacist will explain how to take the medication properly. If you have any questions, you can ask them directly.
Yes, nurse.
Okay, do you have anything you want to ask?
If it's getting worse, what must we do?
If the condition worsens, take the patient to the nearest hospital immediately. Next will be given treatment as recommended. For example, when experiencing severe shortness of breath and coughing.
Yes, nurse, thanks for the information. How can my family recover quickly?
For a speedy recovery, ensure adequate rest, eat nutritious food, manage stress, stay active gradually, follow medical advice, and seek support from love.
Before leaving, there are some documents that Miss Anne family needs to take care of. So you also need to collect the prescribed medication from the pharmacy. Please bring the prescription slip to the pharmacy counter on the second floor. For the collection, use this sheet with the small sticker label.
Alright, nurse. Is it on the second floor of this building, right?
Yes, that's correct. Next, there is an important document, which is the follow-up appointment letter. The follow-up checkup is scheduled by March 28, 2025 at the pulmonary clinic with the responsible doctor is Dr. Wiwit. This document contains details of the patient's treatment. Please bring this document to the cashier on the second floor for the payment process.
Yes, nurse, I understand. For the follow-up check-up at the pulmonary clinic on March 28, 2025, right?
Right, that's correct. After you complete the payment at the cashier in the second floor, please return to here in patient room 5A to submit the payment receipt and the documents you took to the cashier.
I'll bring them back here.
Before you leave, I need Miss Anne family member or the patient herself to sign this informed consent to confirm that Miss Anne family has received all the necessary discharge instruction.
Alright, where should I sign there?
Right here, please.
Alright, it's done.
Alright, from the explanation that has been conveyed, there is anything you would like to ask?
There's no. We can understand your explanation.
Alright, if you understand everything that I said, this is a barcode within leaflet inside you, so you can read it again and study it at home.
Okay, nurse.
Well, ma'am, that's all the explanation we have to say for now. We as the nurse on duty apologize if there were any mistakes during the treatment. We wish you help.
Me too. Thank you very much because the nurse here taken care of Miss E while here.
Thank you very much. I will do the administration first to the planning of her cohort. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Yes, I can help.
Yeah, nurse, I've done the administration. This is the administration.
Okay, I will check it first. Okay, the document is already to me. Now the family and the patient can go home now. Thank you for trust us in this hospital.
Thank you very much, nurse.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
After conducting health education, PP go to the NUM room.
Assalamualaikum, nurse.
Waalaikumsalam. Please come in.
Excuse me, nurse. I want to report that we have done discharge planning to the family of Miss N.
Okay. All the files are complete. Thank you, Nurse Rian. Can you go back the nurse station?
Alright, nurse. Thank you. I permit to go back to the nurse station. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.